If I were you, I would just get back into bed right now. You can't use that leg anymore. It's broken. Just don't try using it at all. From my last try to escape, you know it was a bad idea. And you knew that you would get punished for it. But still you tried. And now you're laying here with only one functional leg. Was it really so smart, huh? Don't worry, at least. I'm here to help you. If you just didn't throw away all the love I'm trying to give to you, maybe this wouldn't happen. At least something. I am day and night trying my hardest to help you, support you, and love you as much as I can. But nothing back. Nothing back. All the things you do is just whining and trying to escape. I'm having enough soon. I really am. You're starting to get on my nerves. You know what? I won't give you any more painkillers. I won't help you with the leg. Nothing like that now. You need to understand what I'm trying to do. And at least give some appreciation for it. If you so much want to be alone, sure. Why not? I don't give a shit right now. If you want, be alone. I will do something else. Fucking shit. Hey! Wake up. I said wake up. I need to move you. Right now. No. Let's go. It's none of your concern. I'll put you down here in the basement. And don't make a single sound. If I hear just a tiny peep until I get back, I am gonna kill you. Is that understood? Good. Hello? Oh, officer. Come in, come in. What brings you here this fine evening? A missing girl, huh? I'm sorry, but I have not seen or heard about anybody in days out here. Since the storm came in, I have been locked in for a while now. Huh. Her car was parked not so far away. You're correct that There isn't anybody else than me living here in miles, but I promise you, I have not seen her. Maybe you should go in the woods or check something there. I really hope you guys can find her. I am in fact alone. No. That is not sounds from a person. I've had rat problems for months now. It's probably those bastards. I mean, just look at this house. It's super old. I promise you, at all, there is no one here. Good. Okay. Have a good day, officer. Thank you very much. Bye. You little piece of shit! I told you not to make a single sound. And what do I hear? I hear screaming all the way from the basement. I'm 100% sure that officer heard you. And now he's probably going back and getting reinforcements. Do you know how bad this is? Yeah, well, too bad. Because we're going out of here. Like this day couldn't even be worse. We're going outside, getting to the car, and then we're leaving. Is that understood? I have a cabin far away in the woods. That's where we're going. And you even try to escape from that, I promise you, you will not get back alive. This cabin is miles into the forest. The closest road being only the one from it back to town. I promise you, you will not survive. I have to drug you. Yeah. Well, there isn't really anything else to do, so stay still. Stay still. Shh, 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 shh. Come on. Take it easy. It will soon be over. And we'll be back to new home. Don't worry at all. Good. There we go. Just calm down. Everything will be alright. I promise you that. We'll live happily in this new cabin, and after that we can finally be together. The cops won't find us at all. This place was abandoned years ago. I am the only one that even knows that it exists in the first place. So just rest your pretty little head, and I'll drive us, and when you wake up, we'll be at our new home, and everything will be as back as normal. Okay.